Immobiliser fit. We just thought we'd do a quick video on the Starline i96 and putting it into valet mode, just to help out some of our customers. So the easiest way to do it is hop onto the app. You should have the green circle around it, meaning the car's protected. If you just press and hold on that till it goes yellow, now release, you get your 2 bleeps. That means this car's now in valet mode. So if we just turn off our Bluetooth, so we're not connected to the car, you'll see it will start up straight away. So this means you can take it to the garage, you don't need to give them the phone or the code and so on. When you get the car back, just connect your phone back up. It should connect automatically if your Bluetooth's on. You see the yellow circle, just do the same thing in reverse, push and hold till it goes green. Release, and the car's protected again. So if you just want to test it, turn the Bluetooth off, give it about 10 seconds to set, and then try start the vehicle and it won't start. So there we go, the vehicle doesn't start. That's the system protected again, and you're back to normal after it's been serviced.